How to add brightness adjustments in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color workspace by clicking the color tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the clip you want to adjust from the timeline. In the color panel, you will see several wheels and sliders. The primary ones for brightness control are lift, gamma, gain, and offset. The lift wheel affects the shadows, gamma controls midtones, and gain adjusts the highlights. The offset wheel shifts the overall brightness of the entire image uniformly, making it a quick way to brighten or darken your clip. To increase brightness overall, you can start by gently raising the offset wheels upward. This will lift the whole image brightness without focusing on specific tones. After that, if you want to fine-tune brightness, adjust the gain wheel to brighten highlights and the gamma wheel for midtones. Use the lift wheel carefully to bring up shadows if needed. Another way to fine-tune brightness is by using the curves tool found next to the wheels. Dragging the curve upwards brighten the image while maintaining contrast, allowing precise control over shadows, midtones, and highlights. Make sure to watch the scopes, especially the waveform monitor, to avoid clipping highlights or crossing shadows. Using scopes helps keep your image balanced and high quality. And that's it. Now you know how to add brightness adjustments in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.